So we're out of the water here at Outer Harbour Marina in Toronto, Ontario, with friend of the show, David Smart. So did you invent the Davit?
It's David, not David. Exactly. We're talking about Davits, but it's David.
We're here with David Smart, and we're going to install a David on the swim platform.
Just reverse that, and you'll be almost close.
All right.
Anybody can get a job in television.
Take 9. We're out of the water here at Outer Harbour Marina in Toronto, Ontario, with David Smart, friend of the show, New Teak, Ontario. How are you, buddy?
Good to see you, son.
So, you are the Ontario distributor for Hurley Marine products. First of all, what is Hurley and what kind of products are we talking about?
Hurley Marine's been in business for almost 20 years. The gentleman that actually his name is Todd Hurley, so he put his name behind his own company because he's a boater at trade.
So he's one of those guys that he boats himself, and he's like, you know what? He's one of those, there's got to be a better way in the infomercial.
That
him.
is exactly Todd.
And on that note, this is one of the products right here, right? This is the H2O.
That is an H2O. There's 4 or 5 different models. This is an H2O.
Davit system.
Davit system.
Right.
They come in an H3O and H3O Plus. The 3O Plus is so heavy duty, you can actually put a Sea-Doo Spark and park it on your platform if your platform is strong enough to hold that particular vessel. These are self-adjusting. As you see here,
right?
That would end up being almost a flat bottom dinghy versus a very, very sharp ribbed dinghy. And they will adjust and they will float the dinghy into position so that it's centered when it's mounted. When it comes to difficulty, maybe a bit more than you can handle. However, most people—
This is not a roast.
Most people can drill 2 holes.
Wait a minute.
We have to drill 2 more over there for the other arm. That's 4 holes.
4.
That's how it's done. And this will hold 350 pounds.
So I mean, it's lightweight for what it holds, but like this is some heavy duty stuff, right?
That particular material is not unbreakable, but close to it. They're actually manufactured in Escanaba.
Yeah,
Michigan.
All like full on made in USA. This isn't like outsourced and shipped over cheap.
Exactly.
And you say that even I could install this.
Even you, Stephen.
Let's see. David was bang on. The H2O install requires 4 holes, 2 per Davit faceplate that your removable arms clip into. And on this particular platform, the previous Davit system had holes that matched up perfectly. They just needed to be cleaned out and widened slightly. Dry fit the plate and bolts first to make sure everything does line up just as you expect. Then secure it all in with a quality sealant and adhesive, and then screw the plates down. You might want to put a support plate underneath your platform to spread the weight out, but if it's solid and in good shape, washers will do just fine. Full disclosure, out of an abundance of caution, we decided to add a plate to this platform a couple days later. But that's all there is to it. You just have to do it twice, 1 for each removable arm. All right, well, we got 3 minutes of filler now. Enjoy this cartoon. It's the easiest install I think I've ever done. It's manual, so depending on the weight of your dinghy, you might want 2 people. But many setups can be done single-handedly. You'll need to tie it down, and that's best done a few times to find out what works for your particular setup. Then you can find a more permanent solution, which could mean a few more holes to secure clips. Totally up to you. However you do it, once secure, you are ready to rock. And with one of the simplest installs I've ever done, you've got a quality, made in North America, Davit system.